Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam and in this PTC Creo Parametric series. In this video, we will talk about pattern tool or pattern command inside PTC Creo Parametric. But before I start using it, let's talk about what is this pattern tool. Pattern tool help us to replicate a feature multiple times. You may think it of a copy paste for a geometry, but the geometry have something to share. They in most of scenario have similar properties. For example, if we're going to pattern this hole, probably we will see the pattern hole also is of same type. So whenever we need to replicate certain feature or certain geometry, we may use pattern. So let me quickly show you how we can quickly get started. Here we can see we have created two these features just to demonstrate what can be done using pattern. So here you can see there is a protrusion and then I group them together so that I can apply pattern to the whole feature. Okay. Now I'm going to select this whole feature by selecting the group. Now let's click here on pattern. Now I'm going to choose the first one, which is dimension type pattern. And remember guys, there are so many different patterns are also available, which we're going to cover one by one. And in this particular video, as we are already aware of, we're going to talk about dimension pattern. In this scenario, all we need to do is we need to select the dimension which repeat a feature by modifying a particular dimension. Let's modify this 101. For example, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this particular dimension. So all we need to do here is we need to go to dimension and then we need to select the dimension. With the help of whom we would like to create pattern. So here we have selected the following one. Now let me type here the numbers. So let's say I would like to create the same feature 5 more times, and seems like the direction of this is here, which we can easily change by going here to dimension. And now here, instead of +100, I'm gonna say, let's say -30. Okay. And here we go. Here we can see minus. Okay, this one is -301, and what I wanted was -30. So now I guess the direction is correct. Now let's quickly click here on OK, and there we go. Here we can see we have generated 5 identical features using dimension pattern. And not only we can create pattern in 1D, but let me quickly select this pattern and do edit definition. We can also go toward another direction, which is 2D. So this time again, since we are talking about dimension pattern, let me select this 50 dimension. Now again I'm gonna click OK, and there we go. So here you can see how easy it is to even create a 2D pattern. Now again, let me go back here and click on edit definition. Now here what I'm going to do is, for example, let's increase the height of it. For that, I'm going to select this height, and now let me click on OK, and there we go. And seems like there was some issue which we need to figure. Now let me also add one more dimension here. For that, I'm going to press Control button and then let me select this 5. Okay. And now what will happen is if I click OK, we have added another dimension to this pattern. Now you can see with every step, the height also increased by 5. So in this way also guys, we can also utilize any dimension. And let's make it 1 actually. And now let's click OK. And this time also we can see the height of these features are getting increased. So in this way guys, we can utilize dimension pattern in PTC Creo Parametric. And in this video, we not only saw how we can do that in 1D, but we also saw 2D dimensional pattern as well. And then we also saw how we can further customize it. For instance, in this particular scenario, we showed how we can increase with time. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series and other engineering related topics. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.